Airline revenue teams have a problem they do not like to admit. Sicily in January and February sits half empty while carriers burn fuel flying the same tourists to the same Greek islands year after year. The Mediterranean winter is no longer a dead season for travel, it is just dead for the places getting all the marketing spent. Major carriers began shifting capacity toward off-peak Mediterranean routes in 2024, but their data reveals something unexpected. The destinations they are pushing hardest are not necessarily where the money is anymore. This video breaks down what airlines are actually betting on for winter escapes and why their strategy might be missing something crucial. Airlines operate on predictability. Winter means fewer passengers overall, so carriers concentrate their reduced schedules on proven draws. Palermo, Catania, and the Amalfi Coast have strong brand recognition, which means lower marketing costs and faster seat sales. Budget carriers like Ryanair and EasyJet have added 17 new Mediterranean winter routes since 2024, but most still cluster around household names. The math seems sound. A flight to Palermo sells itself. A flight to somewhere unfamiliar requires explanation, customer education, and money spent on campaigns that might not convert. Yet airline yield data from early 2026 shows something shifting. Winter bookings to secondary Mediterranean cities are outpacing projections by 12 to 18%. Passengers are deliberately seeking less crowded alternatives, willing to trade convenience for authenticity. Sicily remains beautiful in winter, but it no longer feels like an escape, it feels like a destination where you compete for tables and viewpoints. Smaller island chains and less marketed regions are capturing the travelers who want to avoid crowds without paying summer prices. Comoros, sitting in the Mozambique Channel between mainland Africa and Madagascar, represents what airlines have overlooked entirely. Direct flights from European hubs remain rare, which is precisely why it works as a winter refuge. Accommodation costs less than half of Sicily, diving rivals anywhere on Earth, and the islands see virtually no winter tourism surge because no carrier is pushing it. The water is warm, the coral untouched, and you can spend a week without seeing another European tourist. Airlines are betting billions on Sicily and Santorini this winter. Smarter travelers are booking elsewhere.